Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to prepare ginger chicken. For that, take a kadai, add oil, add cinnamon, 3 to 4 cardamom and 2 to 3 cloves. Now add 3 finely chopped onions and mix it. Add salt so that the onion cooks faster. Once the onion turns pink, add 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger. Give a mix and then add half kg of cleaned chicken. Once the chicken turns pale white, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix and now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Let the masala coat well to the chicken. Now take 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, rub it in your hand and add the powder to the chicken. This gives a nice flavor. This is nothing but the dry fenugreek leaves. Now add 1 finely chopped tomato. Mix it well and add 2 teaspoons of curd. Give it a nice mix. We haven't added water yet, so now we can add 1 cup water for the chicken to cook. Close it with a lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, give it a nice mix. And finally, let's add 2 slit green chilies, some coriander leaves and some chopped ginger. Now your ginger chicken is ready. Hope you all like the recipe. Do try it at your home. If you like the recipe, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.